What are you doing?
Make the scary colors and better it gets pretty.
What are you doing, Claire?
Just mixing colors.
Oh.
Yeah, to make the scariest color. You just do it to a
Rick's making a scary color. Look! I'm making a... Look at my scary color, Grant.
Good job.
What are you doing? Oh, Keith, don't eat the water.
Yeah.
Get your hand out of the water.
This will terrify you to the sea of the Siamese.
No, it's not finger painting, Keith.
Ah! I'm almost out. DC. Almost out. DC. Papa tea, papa tea, papa coffee. Did somebody get a cup of coffee?